Hello YouTube. It is Bazooka. Wonder Mask Accelerating Hair Growth. The recipe for the mask is very simple and is based on the fact that mustard bakes, warming the scalp and causing a rush of blood to the hair follicles. 2 tablespoons of dry mustard powder, sold in the spice department, to dissolve with hot water. 2 tablespoons of hot water. 1 egg yolk. 2 tablespoons of olive, peach, burdock and any other cosmetic oil. 2 teaspoons of sugar, the more sugar, the angrier mustard. Apply to the proline, trying to get on the scalp, without touching the tips, especially dry. You can lubricate the dry ends of hair with any heated cosmetic oil for best effect of the mask. Wrap the head with a cellophane film or a packet, put on a warm hat, a handkerchief or tie-a-terry towel. Oh, how accustomed. Wait for 15 minutes to 1 hour, depending on how much bakes. If tolerable, it is better to walk like this for 1 hour, dreaming of a long luxurious spit. And if it's really a fire on your head, it's only 15-20 minutes. Attention! 15 minutes must be sat out for the first time necessarily, even if it seems that the head was an atomic war. For 15 minutes, no harm to the scalp and hair will not, checked by many, and getting used, you then and half an hour and sit for an hour. The mask needs to be done 1 time a week, a maximum of 2 times with very oily hair. The mask slightly removes excessive sebum secretion. After rinse the mask with slightly warm water, then rinse the hair with shampoo. It is possible for best effect to apply any balm or ready-made hair growth activator. The Golden Silk line is very good. Growth accelerating components are even better absorbed into the heated scalp. If you really want to quickly grow long hair, then mask for at least 1 month. In addition, that the mask with mustard really accelerates the growth of hair, strengthens them, gives more volume and density. It still solves the problem of fatty hair, since the hair is less likely to get dirty. Tips of dry or colored hair must be lubricated with oil or a ready-made purchase mask. Many men after the regular application of this mask with mustard began to appear new hair in the bald areas. The hair became thicker, even if they were rare before. Try this wonderful mask. When the result appears, you will not be stopped. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.